Good morning, thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. Thanks for tuning in, Bobby. Good morning, I hope you're well. So let's have a look. A little bit of a relief rally last night on Bitcoin after the huge sell-off that we saw yesterday, or the night before, which was 5% down. A temporary relief rally of 2.72% yesterday after bouncing off this solid support level that we have respected a few times. I believe this is where the maximum pain threshold is for miners, for long-term investors, things like that. So there's probably some buying pressure below this level to keep the price above. But at the moment, there isn't too much to talk about here on Bitcoin. Bit of a relief, some buying coming back in, pushing us back into the cradle zone. But if you've done our courses and you know what a trend is, you can see that there isn't really a trend here on Bitcoin for us to trade. So bit of a level through here that we may come up and test, but yeah, nothing really there on Bitcoin for us at the moment, unfortunately. Now ETH on the daily, yeah, not much to talk about. It's very sideways. The 4 hour, very sideways. We've gone from high to low and now we're just bouncing around. So no trades for us at the moment on ETH. We can look lower. Again, no trend. So yeah, nothing to talk about. I'm interested to see what ETH does with the upcoming, is it a merge? I'm not sure if we can really call it a merge, but the change over to ETH 2.0. So I did expect some buying pressure come into ETH with people stacking their bags full of ETH just to get the free airdrop. But yeah, we haven't really seen that. Toncoin is one that's just charging. I'm really stalking this for a nice pullback. The 4 hours, what I'm watching, high, low. Another high, a nice pullback into that cradle might be, this is definitely what I'm after. The 2 hour, not so much. It is there, but I think I like the 4 more. I'd like to see some further selling off back into that cradle, and I'll definitely be all over that. 1 inch on the 4 hour again, nice trend, lower low, pulling back into that cradle. If we get a nice close on this 4 hour with a bearish candle in there, I'll want to know about it. A little bit of a level through here. I could probably move that over here. Yeah, so test, and testing again for a sort of a break and retest type cradle trade. So 1 inch is looking really good. Ape, another one that's had a nice drop, pulling back on that 4 hour. Let's see how it reacts to this cradle zone. C98 is another one, so it's definitely the 4 hour time frame that I'm watching today. As you can see throughout this list, most of them it's the 4 hour. I think we've got one in there for the 2 hour, but yeah, C98 is there. I think I like 1 inch a lot more than this one. Celsius was one I was watching this morning for a solid level through here, hoping for a breakout of this level and a pullback and retest of that level with a nice trend. Didn't quite get that. It's just fully rejected that level, so I can take that out of the list. Phantom, yeah, another one, 4 hour time frame, lower low, lower high, lower low, pulling back into that cradle zone. So we just need those bearish candles. They won't be there unless this closes bearish in the next 3 hours. We won't have anything until later tonight. Cobb is another one on the 4 hour time frame, pulling back quite nicely into that cradle zone. And OKB was the 2 hour that I was watching. Beautiful trend here on OKB, looking really nice. If that stays that same size in the next hour, I'll definitely want to know about it, and I'll probably raise orders on this one. If you are in the community, I'll let you know if we do raise orders, but yeah, OKB is the pick for me at the moment. But yeah, interesting times. Let's see what the market does again today, whether we do see some follow through buying momentum, or we see another further sell-off, which you know what, if we do, it's really going to put us back into that pain threshold. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you aren't in the community just yet, we do have a new Discord community. Feel free to use the link in the description, I believe it is, in the description. Come over, join us in Discord. We've got free channels, so jump in there. If you are a paid member, we have moved from Slack to Discord, so yeah, jump in Discord, reach out if you need any help, and yeah, I'll chat to you guys soon. Have a great day.